certain cloud keeps lightning. You see? There goes once. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. There should be another one soon. You see? Same spot. Same spot. You see? In the same exact spot. Creepy. The invasion has started early. Mwahaha. The invasion of the lightning gods. Thunder. Thor is coming. Raiden is coming. And Zeus, all combined in one. I don't know, I'm just bored. I'm recording outside in front of my house. A lot of lightning. Oh crap, I just stepped on my cat. Look, you see, same exact spot over and over again. Non-stop. Random ass car going through the gate. You see, an exact same spot over and over again. It's weird. You see? Stephanie, I do not want to see the rainbow. Look, you see, damn rainbow. Freaking mosquito. You see? Same spot. This is awesome. Random ass car going to the gate again. Iron Maiden. Now let's tune into my cat, which you cannot see. Cool. Alright, well, I'm going inside now. And I'm out. Oh, look, more lightning. Creepy as hell, isn't it? Well, the show continues. Well, not really. I'll leave it up to 45. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're out.